Hi there, I'm Carrie Lawless, and today I have an adorable 3-bedroom, 2-bath cottage to show you right here in Long Beach, Mississippi. We are located just minutes to the beach, yet this house is not in a flood zone. We are also located in a school district that features award-winning schools. Now this house has gorgeous curb appeal. It is so charming and it fits in with the rest of this adorable neighborhood. There is so much more to see inside though. Let's go on in and check it out. As we enter into the home, we come into this grand foyer. It's really a great big focal wall here, makes such a statement as you walk on in. And then we even have the really high ceilings in here that carry on throughout the home. All right, on to the bedrooms. The first bedroom that we're taking a look at is right in the front of the home, and I just love this because there are windows on both sides. It lets so much natural light into the room. It has a spacious closet and again, high ceilings. All right, let's keep going. One of the things I love so much about this house is the floor plan. Each of the bedrooms is completely split off from each other, so they each have that element of privacy, which is really nice. So now we're walking into bedroom number 2, and there is so much natural light, again, just flooding into this room. All right, let's check out the bath. Right between this second bedroom and the bath is this really nice sized linen closet, great for extra storage. And then we have the bath. This is all nice neutral colors, travertine tiles, and really high ceilings. All right, on to the primary suite. On the way to the primary suite, we're also passing the laundry room here. This is a really nice size and another linen closet. Can't have too much storage. So now we are in the primary bedroom. And there's several things I love about it. First of all, there's a great view of the backyard. There's this big double window flooding the room with natural light. And then in addition to the high ceilings, we even have a step ceiling, which has that nice custom touch. All right, let's check out the ensuite. I just love how much space is in this bathroom. So all along this wall, we have this dual vanity with plenty of space all around it. And then we've got this beautiful travertine tub and shower combination and then beautiful travertine tile floors. Now, I think my favorite thing about this entire suite is the size of this closet. It's like a whole separate room. There is so much storage in here. It's amazing. Let's check out the rest of the home. As we come into the main area of this home, I really feel like I've saved the best for last. So this kitchen just feels so upgraded. We have the stainless appliances, the beautiful 3-centimeter granite, and the light cream colored cabinetry with a light glazed touch right there in the corners. And then we've got the really nice sized pantry. And then we start with all the seating. There's so much space in this area. So we start with the breakfast bar. Definitely seating for 3 here. Then we move on into this dining area. This is so spacious. You could have seating comfortably for 8 here. And then because of this open floor plan, we move right on into the living area. There are windows literally all the way around. And because this house is on a corner lot, you can see all the way around. It is such a great view, so much natural light flooding in, and so much room for all of your things. There's a huge wall here for any size TV. This place is just made for relaxing and entertaining. Now let's go check out the yard. As we step out into the backyard, we are on this charming covered patio. I love this space. It's just so perfect for relaxing and even entertaining. We're on this corner lot, so there is such a great view, not to mention this amazing oak tree that just covers this backyard. There's so much to see here. This house is fantastic. Make your appointment today. My name is Carrie Lawless.